Douglas Pharmaceuticals was actually founded by my grandfather in 1967. So we employ around 700 people across New Zealand, Fiji, and the US. A lot of our pharmaceutical products are manufactured right here in Henderson, Auckland, New Zealand. We also have a manufacturing plant in Fiji, which looks after our nutraceutical products.
Douglas is well known for being an innovative, bold, forward-thinking company. So having the opportunity to be the first company in New Zealand to go live with AutoStore fits really nicely with Douglas. Our main challenges were around storage capacity and throughput rate, and our ability to keep pace with the expected growth that the business is forecasting.
So prior to AutoStore, our processes were extremely manual. They were paper-based, and it involved a picker pushing a trolley through a long pick path throughout our warehouse and manually retrieving product from a mix of static shelving, pallet racking, and carton float racking.
The decision-making process for the AutoStore, we had 3 options actually before that. So we had the option of buying a new warehouse, we had the option of extending our current warehouse, and then we had the AutoStore as well. And after doing that assessment, the best return on investment was definitely the AutoStore. It just brings back so many efficiencies that it just pay itself off over time.
It was important as we went through the design phase with Douglas that we took into account their future growth, not just short-term but long-term. We designed the system so it can be expanded at a later date as their operation continues to grow.
We've got a total of 6,300 bins, we've got 13 robots and 4 ports in total. 3 of those are carousel ports, and we've got 1 conveyor port.
I think one of the key benefits with AutoStore is just around the way that our people come to work and what work they do every day. Moving from a highly manual operation to something that's more automated is much better for morale, especially during those times of peak volumes and challenging working conditions.
So we pick on an average 3,000 order lines through this facility per day, and AutoStore will be handling about 92% of those order lines. By just taking 10% of our warehouse footprint, we've been able to increase our storage capacity by 30%.
So in terms of sustainability, did you know that one of the robots actually uses equivalent to a vacuum cleaner? So yeah, it's a nice bonus that they actually don't use much power at all. So in addition to the capacity that it brings back to our warehouse, it's nice that it's not leaving a big environmental footprint as well.
When it comes to customization and configuration of the AutoStore, when it came to working with Kardex, they took a real partnership approach. We've worked with Kardex right from the beginning. They've been great in terms of facilitating our assessment, our analytics. They really put in a lot of effort up front to understand our business, get hold of our data, and then work together on building simulations and configuration and the ultimate design of the AutoStore, which really informs our business case and our decision to proceed with the AutoStore.
I take a great deal of pride in the fact that we've achieved getting the first AutoStore into the New Zealand market, because it is really a revolutionary product that is set to change the way that people do business.